You know, students, we are going to prepare a froggy's head. That is froggy's crown. Okay, paper crown. So let us start. How you can make? Here I have taken the dark green paper. Can you see this dark green paper? Okay, so we need dark green paper, light green paper, like this paper we need. Then we need white paper. Okay, then we need red paper and black paper. If you are having small pieces, then also okay. And if you are not having all these papers, you can just draw it on white paper or on newspaper and color it. Then you are able to make that froggy's crown. Okay, kids. So now, what you have to do first, you have to take that way you can take a strip from this green paper. So first what you have to do here, just take this paper and just, see the length of the paper, kids, and just fold it like this and cut one strip. Okay, cut one strip like this. Okay, so cut that strip like this. Okay, and you have to what you have to do, kids, and then what you have to do, you have to measure your head this way. Okay, now it is fixing, see. And once the measuring work is done, where you can put up your crown on your head like this. So remove that. Now go to the next step. Next step is, what we have to do, kids, we have to make a oval shape here. You know, oval shape is like like an egg. Okay, so egg shape, for egg shape what you have to do, just take one square from your green paper. Okay, now take one green square from your green paper, the chart paper, and just cut it like this. And you know about a measure. And then what you have to do, kids, just fold it like this. Fold it like this. Okay, so here we will use crafty ideas, and then just make C shape. C for cat. Okay, so C for cat you are going to make a line like this, and then see that folding line you will not cut, but the C shape you are going to cut it, so that you will get a nice oval shape. So once you will cut it this, then you will get oval shape. See, now you got the oval shape. So here if you want this corners you cut, so that you will get a perfect oval shape. So this is oval shape. Let us go to the next part. The next part is, you are going to take these papers, that is black paper. First take a black paper. Okay, then white paper and green paper. Okay, and then for that you will need 3 types of leaves. So making circles. Okay, so these are 3 leaves, the smaller one, then the little bigger one, and the biggest one. So biggest one you will use for green paper. Take the green paper and just trace on that. Okay, we need 2, so just trace 2. Done. Then go for the second, that is the second one. Do the same, just to trace this. Trace 2 circles like this. Done, kids. Now keep it aside, and now the last one is a black one. So black one also you are going to trace. Just keep your lead like this and just trace it. We need 2 for making eyes. Done? Okay. Now let us do the cutting work. We did the cutting here by using the leads. You have to trace it and then do cutting work like this, and a small light green small circles also I cut it here. Okay, you can see here the circular papers and here 2 black papers. So now we need to make a mouth of your frog. Okay, so how you are going to do it? Just fold your paper like this. Okay, just fold it like this And what you have to do from this paper, by using this paper, what you will do, just make like this shape, see, C shape, okay, and then again come down and then draw the shape of your froggy's mouth like this, okay, and then once the drawing is done, then cut it. When the drawing is done, then cut it. See here. So now you can see all the cutting work is done. Okay, like black cutout, white cutout, green cutout, and small green cutouts. Okay, light green cutouts, and here the face of your froggy, and this is the strip. Okay, and then what we are going to do now? We are going to stick this on it. It's like this. Okay, and at the corner, means here at the corner, you are going to stick this light green paper like this. Okay, then this side, see that it should come up, not down. Okay, crossway. See how teacher is putting. So take Fevicol and stick it. Okay, at the middle of the page, that means you can just hold the strips and fold it like this so that you will get the middle part of your crown. Okay, this is the middle line. So stick on that. Okay, kids, see how teacher is sticking, and at the corner, that means all the eyes should go out of the border this way. Look here, and then take white, stick on that. Stick white on that. These are the two eyes of your froggy. Okay, then go for black like this. Okay, and then take the mouth and put Fevicol like this and stick here. Okay, and then his body. So we are going to use the small circles and just make his body, beautiful texture of his body. This way. At the middle also you can stick. Then some small circles. And you can take white crayons here and just make a circle like this. In circle you just color so that his eyes will look nice, kids. So now you can see your froggy's crown is ready. Okay, so what you have to do while fixing, if you want you can put here sellotape and then stick it. So you can adjust from back side how much long or how much it should be tight, or you can from back side you can just put the sellotape and wear. Now see, we have made a froggy's crown like this, okay, by using paper. If you are not having this paper, you can take a printout and stick on the paper and just color it green and make a froggy's crown like this, okay kids. Now you can make any animal's crown like this, any animal's face you can. Now teacher has given idea how you can make a froggy's crown. So that way you can make different animals crown. See, teacher has done here. And if you are not having paper, you can take printout, otherwise draw it, color it, just do the drawing, color it, and then the white paper you can turn it into a animal's crown like this. Okay, any type of animal you can make. Okay kids, and just wear it like this. See, is it nice?